Michelle. Like by email. You check where the YouTube link works. If you go to All right, can you guys hear me okay? Thank you for coming tonight. I don't think this is the commencement you had originally planned or that we had originally planned, but I'm glad to see a lot of faces that we know, and a lot of faculty and staff made it. A lot of people, we had people dressed up in regalia. A few people in hats. That's good. I heard a rumor that when we do this in the fall, for those of you coming back to the real commencement, that we may have the pleasure of an outdoor ceremony and all the heavy robes and everything. So that'll be fun. So I put this together partially because, you know, we're not a very formal department, and we have, we don't have a lot of kind of strict formal rules, but when we found out that commencement was canceled and that there really wasn't anything going on, I wanted to at least get us together to acknowledge the job that you all have done, because what you've done these past 4 years, 5 years, 7 years, 12 years, depending on who it is. Nobody's been 12 years, not as far as I know. You can raise your hand if you, anyway. But it's not easy, right? You've gone through something that was really, really difficult, and it's really important that we pause at the end of it and celebrate it, even under the circumstances that we're in, where we can't all get together in a room and actually do that, or get together outside the commencement to actually do that. So what I have planned is basically just to say a few words. We have a video put together from the videos you guys sent us and some of the pictures that were sent in, and then some other things some faculty have put together, and a special present from Morgan Johnson that you'll see when you get it, actually, that I thought was cool. And then we'll, you know, call names, and if you want to say something on the camera, then you can unmute and say something at that point. And if you don't want to, that's fine too. And then when we get all done and we wrap up, we can kind of chit chat at that point and just kind of talk like we would if we were in person. We'll see how that works in Zoom, but we'll try it and see how it goes from there, right? We are joined by, it says there's around, we have about 24 to 30 people here in the Zoom room. We have about another 23 in YouTube Live, family members or others actually there. And when we get to the point where I call your name, yeah, if you have family in the room that wants to cheer, things like that, go for it. And everybody else, if you want to unmute to say things or cheer, that's fine. If we blow up Zoom, we blow up Zoom, and we'll figure it out from there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to switch back into a screen share and show you guys the video that got put together. It'll take me just a second. All right. Here we go. I appreciate everybody who sent some things in for this.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. What a ride. You started out your college career gathering in the parking lot of the chemistry building to watch the solar eclipse. And then later that fall, the whole semester was wrecked by Hurricane Harvey, the second most destructive storm in the U.S. history since 1900. Then in 2018, adulting became a word, where you learned to do your own laundry and ignore online trolls. And then finally in 2019, we raided Area 51, or maybe not. But then we had this worldwide shutdown due to the coronavirus, and you had to Zoom your way to graduation. Congratulations on making it through all of the online exams and online lectures. You've really shown that you have the ability to adapt and that you're resilient. Believe me, questions about how you adapted to change will be on every interview that you have. So show them what you've got, and we look forward to seeing you become successful Bearcat alumni. So eat 'em up, cats, but wash your hands first.
I just wanted to say congratulations to all of you on a job well done. Congratulations.
to hear. I just wanted to say we finally did it. We made it. Congratulations to us all for making it this far. Sam has definitely brought the best experiences for me and the bestest friends that I've met in chemistry, so I'm so happy for that, but I can't wait to see what this universe has in store for us, so good luck.
Hello, SAM graduates. I just wanted to take a few moments to congratulate you on your achievements. I'm so proud of you. You've done a great job, specifically during these trying times. It's been a pleasure having most of you in my classes, and I wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors. Please let me know if I can be of any help. I'll be happy to help you any way I can. Good luck. Bye-bye.
Hello, my name is Kaylin Reyes, and I just wanted to thank everyone at the chemistry department for giving me the resources to be the chemist I am today. Congratulations to all of my peers. This is one of the greatest accomplishments that we could achieve, so kudos to us. Special shout out to Dr. Williams. Thank you for passing down your passion for chemistry to us. I really do appreciate it, and once again, thank you to Dr. Haynes and the rest of the department. Eat 'em up, cats.
Hey everyone, wow, we've definitely had a couple of wild years getting this degree. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for being so funny, cool, and down to earth. You've definitely made getting this degree a lot more enjoyable. It's definitely felt like a family, and I wish everyone lots of success in whatever they choose to do in the future.
Congratulations, Bearcats. You've done one of the hardest things you can do in college. You've majored in chemistry. I know it wasn't always easy, but you did what it took and you made it through. Good luck in everything you do in the future, and make sure not to be a stranger. You know where to come back and find us anytime you need to. Good luck. All right, and I'll actually make sure all the graduates get a link to that video if you're wanting it for Facebook or memories or whatever, so that you can actually get it. It's an unlisted video on YouTube right now, so you can't search and find that. But if you have the link, you can actually get it and get a hold of it. And I can send the actual video file to anybody if they ask me by email. And if you want to know how to take CFS with you on your journey through life, I think Dr. Williams and Morgan Johnson can help, maybe can tell you what server they're using or get you that. I don't know how much work it took her to put CFS together in Minecraft, but it had to be quite a bit. At least at my skill level in Minecraft, it would be quite a bit. But. All right, at this point, I will call the names of the graduates. And I'm going to try to, I'm going to arrange my screens really quick to make this possible to do and pull up a couple things. And when I call the name of the graduate, if you want to say a couple of things, if you want to unmute, Zoom should detect that you're the one talking. And if not, I have the participant list and it will take me a minute with this many people, but I'll try to find you and spotlight you if the Zoom meeting isn't catching you that way. Does that make sense? Your final test. All right, alphabetically, starting with Andrew Albright. See, I'm messing it up already. I can do this. We have Marshall Ashlyn. Julia Aves. There she is. Parker Blount. Yanira Cortez. Jessica Siri. Sorry, I'm inspired. I'm gonna give applause, Jessica. Now, I did actually want to say one thing with Jessica also, and I'll spotlight her video for just a second. We have many students who are honor students, and I apologize because I don't have the list of honor students and highest honors, and you'll get all that at commencement. But we do have 2 students in the department who received what are called departmental honors. And so they did extra semesters of research and had the GPA and everything to receive what's called academic distinction. And Jessica is one of those 2 students tonight. The other is Alex Liu, who we'll announce later, but since he's overseas out of the country, he won't be with us this evening. Congratulations, Jessica. All right, and we have Robin DeVries. See, that's what happens when you click on the wrong one. Now, Robin also has served as the head of chemistry club And I'm looking for Robin so that I can put her up, put everybody on the spot. And we really appreciate the service to the department, Robin. That is not something everybody signs up to do, that leadership role. And you've done a really good job, and we appreciate that.
Thanks.
Ethan Dabrowski. Tia Freeman. Tia. I call her Munchie. Munchie, come on it. All right. Sorry, my hand is not fast enough on the applause here. I'm doing too many things at once. Ian Haltom.
Yeah. Hello. Thank you.
That goes
Can
on
we
and
say
on.
can we say a word or two?
Yes.
All right,
If you'd
awesome.
like to, go for it.
Yeah, I just want to say congrats to everybody. We all worked really hard. Thank you to all the professors for all the work you guys put into us. And I want to say a special thank you, of course, to Dr. Gross, who I've done research with, not only for making me a better chemist, but of course for making me a better person. So thank you.
Congratulations, Ian.
Thanks.
Is there anybody whose names I've already called who wanted to say something? Did I move too fast? Some already have on the video, I know. Some people are trying to lay low also, I think. So, all right. Next up, we have Kitty Horst. I lost my sound effects completely. Why is that? There we go. And Melinda Jallo. Sorry, I'm scanning lots of names there too. Morgan Johnson. And definitely thank you for the Minecraft, Morgan. Rachel Johnston. Cameron Ligon. And I'm going to put you up for just a second, Morgan, because I missed you a minute ago. So we'll spotlight you in the dark now. Alex Liu. She's hiding. Okay, I'll put myself back up. Alex couldn't be with us tonight. He was the other student that got academic distinction, and he was an international student that, because of the viral epidemic, had to leave early for the semester and finished from abroad, actually. Michelle Martinez. Destiny Morton. There, you know you're spotlighted. There you go. Sandra Perez Franco. Or Natalia. And I know you're here with them. John. There you go.
I just want to say thank you and congratulations to everyone.
All right. Thank you. Joshua Polk. Did Joshua make it? No, I don't think so. Anna Renteria. Caitlin Reyes.
Woo!
I just wanted to say thank you to everyone in the department and all of my peers. Good luck with life.
Thank you. Cole Riley. Destiny Roa. Jared Sharp. Marissa Vergara.
Hey everyone. Just really quick, I want to say thank you, Dr. Haynes and Dr. Williams, for putting that together. It made me really emotional. My mom started crying and I almost started crying.
Don't make us cry.
But I also want to say thank you to the whole chemistry department because I've been there forever. So it was really great getting to know everyone. And also like a big thank you to Mrs. Haynes because she's the real MVP when it comes to getting our research. So.
All right, thank you. The students eventually learn who really runs the department, right? And it is not the professors. Should I put Rochelle up for just a second? She'll shoot me for that later, but. All right, last but not least, we have Victoria White. All right, and I'm going to leave it on the view of everybody for a minute, and we can all clap, celebrate, unmute, whatever you want to do, and cheer our 2020 graduates.
Yay!
Congratulations, everybody. Wonderful work. And best wishes for a great future.
Congrats, everyone.
Congratulations, everyone.
All right, at that point, that's pretty much what I had planned. Was there anybody else who wanted to say a few words while we're all gathered together? All right. Well, for those of you who submitted something for the video, I appreciate it. For the rest of you, in the video I said, don't be a stranger. We love seeing our alumni come back and visit. I know a lot of you have benefited from seeing alumni come back for Chem Club, for the Forensic Science Club, and for everything, give you advice. And hopefully you'll come back and give students advice, and make sure to keep us updated. Don't forget the Friends of SHSU Chemistry Facebook group is a great way to post things to your fellow alumni and to the department, events in your life as you go through and have your good days and your bad days. And I don't know about some of you, but I like to go in there and look and see how everybody's doing, and also see their kids and things like that as they go through life, and we get to watch them, and really keeps us going at the end of the day. So make sure to keep in touch. We really enjoyed teaching you over these years, and we know that you're going to be off to great things because you've gone through that trial by fire that Dr. Williams was describing to get to this point. And so there's not a lot that should rattle you after the semester here. So good luck in the future. Now, for those that want to stay and maybe chat, if anybody has anything they want to share more one-on-one, I'll basically shut off the feed here in a minute, in just a second, for the Facebook part, or for the YouTube part, so that you can say things that aren't being recorded on YouTube if you care to at that point. For those that are joining us out there on the YouTube live, thanks for joining us. We ended up with 20-25 family members out there, and I don't know if I explained probably at the beginning, but I was a little afraid of bringing too many people in the Zoom meeting, how I would manage. It was clunky a little bit as it was. So hopefully that worked well for all of you out there at home. And that should actually be something that I can also email the graduates. There's the link to the YouTube link to that if they want to see the ceremony or want to keep linked to that in YouTube.
Can I say something?
Yes. Who said that?
I would just like to say thank you to all the families, because I know what a tremendous support they provide to each of you. And that in turn supports us as we try to teach and build a community. So thank you to all the family members and friends who have supported these wonderful graduates through these years and who will continue to support them.
All right. Anybody else? All right. Thank you. And for those of you watching on YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and turn that part off now. And